What happened to the two little AirPods? It's now a Bluetooth. And I got this thing that's called a lens mod. So all this is new to me, where people out there already talked about it. Hey, I'm Fish. I'm still thinking out loud, man. Now it's 2 days for a 64 gig Nano. Hey, 128, it's 5 days. I just don't get it. I could always get a Go Ultra the next day. But I'm in no rush when things do go on sale. And Black Friday is right about here. Over here, I got myself the DJI Mic 2 Black. I got a white. I'm not using it today. I gotta dedicate this one to this camera, so this way when I grab the white one, it hooks up to my DJI products. This one hooks right up when I'm ready. Chin up. No more bouncing around from mic to mic. I bet I will. Like a natural. For the very next time. You thought I was going to say for the first time. Like a natural's what I shoot at. I haven't changed it for a while. I still gotta try that lens mod out. Called Lens Master. And this place looks real interesting. Hope when it gets done it looks even better. Something happening. And whenever I look to see things happening online for what's in the neighborhood, never to be found. Man, we're coming up to that freaky, scary looking house. Gates are still closed, but you gotta walk around to get into it. Let's see what it looks like when we get down there. Going around the S on a turn. Did you leave your scooter to go on fire? Did you just burn it? Oh man, could have been a good bike, right? I guess that 15 mile per hour thingy just didn't cut it for this guy. Man, my bike still looks futuristic. Stand up, stand alone, step through the Cannondale Adventure 2. I don't have control with the remote control of the microphone with DJI. That's the downside. No control and poor audio quality, everybody out there says. Take a photo, please. Peace sign takes a photo. I guess maybe because on the field of view, I could sit here all day, not get that photo across. But the high five does. Oh man, what a beautiful day. It sure is. I didn't see many bicyclists on the road or scooters passing me by, maybe two. Like I said, always thinking. And for what I got, I'm happy and contented with. I don't need to have something that's small taken out of the case, because those days are gone for me. I hardly ever use something so small. Maybe the Go Platinum will be the ultimate camera. If the Ace Pro 2 is 8K video resolution, why did not the Go Ultra become 8K video resolution? I guess they couldn't do it, overheating because of the compact size and all, but they could have. If it was put into the case, you can do 8K video resolution, but taking it out of the pod becomes 4K. Maybe that'd be the next camera. So you can see where Insta360 and the Go Ultra can be going. Not many people out there do 8K, but DJI with the company Dream Leptic Cube made the 8K Nano 2 nano chip, imitating what Insta360 was trying to do but couldn't do it. And they are saying that, oh, we are software enhanced. for 8K. As much as I use 8K and my machine struggles, Windows, maybe the M5 touchscreen laptop from Apple, 16-incher, will be the one. Well, you know, I'm Fish, and I gave a good talk, shared a good talk, and I gotta go do some things. I gotta go do some research on the Atato Piero blue glasses no longer made. I got another pair. Maybe I could send them in and get them with the bifocals that I want. Well, I gotta go knock it out, take care of business. I got stuff to do, videos to edit, vlogs to get done and share. Well, I am Fish, and I'll catch you on another exciting adventure. If it's the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, the DJI Osmo Action 5, which I hardly ever pick up the GoPro or the Action 4 anymore. On that note, I'm Fish. Have a great day.